Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a course in which I teach you about some easy skills which you can sell on Fiverr and earn money through it. So today's video I will teach you about how you can create a professional resume or CV and how you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and let's see that is there as a demand of this skill or not. So I am on fiverr.com and here I search for CV, and as you can see 28,000 people are providing this service. So CV maker, only 5 to 1 service is available, and these people are providing the services of CV making. We can also like CV design, professional CV design, and as you can see 21,000 services available. So let's analyze one of the gig. In basic package he charge $15 and one page CV infographics cover letter design. In standard he charge $35, 2 pages infographics cover letter design. In premium he charge $65, 3 pages infographics cover letter design. Okay, let's check out his CVs. It's look good, and I teach you how you can create same CVs like this, and that's it. So this is the Fiverr part. So let's go towards our how we can create a CV in just 2 to 5 minutes. And you can also write here that you can create he said in 2 hours. You can say that you can create in only 1 hour. So that's it. So I am to create a CV I am going to canva.com, and canva.com is a graphic designing tool online available. You can make dozens of things here, so CV is one of them. So I click on search bar and Canva shows me template professional CV. I click on this and it shows me different CV related templates. You can see on the some of the templates you can see on the Fiverr portfolio, and I think this one. So I click on this and I click on customize this template. So this is a good template. If you want to add, you can also check out the other. So if you want to like duplicate this page, if you want to make a 2-page CV, then click on there and that's it, and you can change the headings here. So let's customize this. You can change the color like red. Let's look good. I am going to like photos, and I drag the picture in this circle frame, so it's changed the image. You can change out the name, and you can change out the designation. You can change everything here. You collect the information from client and make the CV according to his or her need. So in this way you can create a CV in 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, if you want to learn complete Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete Canva graphic designing course and other courses related to Canva, so you can learn from there. And that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.